Hello, my name is Guillaume and this is my bike check. I've got salt grips, what are really comfortable and really easy to use. I've got We the People bars in white. They are scratched, but they're really strong. I got a salt stem. What's nice? It's black and I don't know. It's just a really nice stem. I got a salt headset. What's really good. The frame is just We the People reason, and I like it. It's scratched, but there's nothing really bad with it. It's really strong and everything. I got salt pedals. What are really good. They're just really good. I've got salt wheels, salt rim. They're 20.10 wheel rims. They're really good. I've got a salt stem on my front and back. I got salt pegs that came with it. What are really good, and they're really strong. And I've got a really nice crank. It's salt, and the chain's really good. And my name's Guillaume and this is my bike jack.